fully. Okay, so unit 1 fully for our unit test. Send the first first lesson study plan. Okay, you can go through it and you can make yourself prepare. Okay, so now we are going to start the inverse of matrix for 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so what is mean by inverse of matrix? Okay, so any of you, Vijay Raj, are you there?
Yes, sir.
What is meant by inverse of matrix, Vijay Raj?
Sir, X is equal to A inverse B.
X is equal to A inverse B. Okay, Vijay Raj, this is a matrix inversion method. Okay, so last class what we saw? A inverse is equal to what is the formula?
Sir,
Sir, shall I tell?
Yes, yes, Balaji.
A inverse equal to divided by determinant of A adjoint A.
Hmm. Just that is correct. Okay, so now we are going to see by 3 matrix. Okay, for 3 by 3 matrix is also the same. Okay, so you can do by yourself. So 3 by 3 matrix, A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A. Already we know this is the inverse formula. Okay, for 2 by 2 matrix and 3 by 3 matrix, both are same only. Formula is same, there is no difference. Okay, so now next, for 3 by 3 matrix. So we know the formula 1 divided by determinant A. How do we find the determinant A for 3 by 3 matrix? We want to find the cofactor for the row, isn't it? Cofactor for this what? Determinant. Already we know that, isn't it? So now the same thing we want to do. Okay, so this is the way we want to find the determinant A. Next, the adjoint of A. What is adjoint of A?
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Cofactor. Now it is audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is meant by adjoint of A? Adjoint of A is nothing but we want to take the transfer is known as what? Adjoint of A for 3 by 3 matrix. This is the way we want to find all the things and we just substitute in the formula. Okay, you just substitute in the formula, you can get the, and again I'm repeating, listen, if 3 matrix.
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Okay, so this is an example. Balaji, now it is okay for you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now this is an example for 3 by 3 matrix. If I want to find the inverse for this matrix, A inverse is equal to 1 divided by determinant A into adjoint of A. Okay, so this is a way. First we want to find the determinant, next we want to find the adjoint of A. Okay, so now what you are going to do, all of you find a determinant A for this matrix. Okay, so this is your given matrix. Find a determinant A and tell me the answer. Can you understand what I said? All of you take your note and do it. Find the determinant A. Make it fast. Ma, and also find the adjoint of this. So find the final answer. Tell me the A inverse answer. Ma, what is the answer, ma? Manager.
Sir?
Hello, sir.
What is answer, ma? Determinant A would answer,
A
Soluma.
164.
Elmaran. What is the final answer, Elmaran?
Final answer, sir. 162, sir. No, sir.
Ma, have you all got the same answer? If any of you get a different answer, tell me. Okay, ma. So this is the way we want to find the A inverse. Okay, so this is the way we want to find the A inverse. Okay, for 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, so now we are going to see the important 5-mark topics, that is matrix inversion method. Okay, so listen properly. That is a matrix inversion method. So, ma, unmute all. Who's that? Okay, so now we are going to see matrix inversion method. So matrix inversion method. So the formula for matrix inversion method is X is equal to A inverse B. Okay, so this is the formula for matrix inversion method. Okay, so in this matrix inversion method, we are going to find the values of the variable. We want to find the values of the variable. Already you know how do we find the unknown value for the variable. Already you know, isn't it? For elimination method, for cross multiplication method, like this we want to find this unknown value for x, y, z, likewise. The same thing we are going to do in the different method. That method is known as what? Matrix inversion method. Okay, in this problem, all of you by heart this formula. By heart this formula, I'll ask you. Okay, so ma, can you hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh. Okay, okay. So this is a way we want to write the formula. This is very, very important. X is equal to A inverse B. Okay. So now we are going to see what is meant by X. What is A inverse is nothing but we know the formula, isn't it? A inverse is equal to 1 divided by determinant A into adjoint of A. Okay. So the X value and B value is different for us. Okay. So now in this problem, the question will be given in a equation form. X plus Y plus Z equal to 0 or 6. Okay, so 2x plus y is equal to 5. Okay, so now consider this is my question. Okay, today online class the matrix inversion method for 2 by 2 matrix C. Okay, the next online class we will continue with the 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, they are asking 2 by 2 matrix, it is for 3 mark. Okay, so our question is find the values of x and y using matrix inversion method. Okay, find the values of x and y using matrix inversion method. Okay, so for example, again, first of all, listen, if they have given the equation like this, first we want to write in a matrix form. First we want to write in a matrix form. What is meant by matrix form? Matrix, it should be in a square bracket, isn't it? So the same thing we are going to do. Okay. Once again, we should not take a, is it? So x plus y is equal to 6. What is the matrix form for this? So 1, 1, 2, 1. Am I right? Next, x, y. What variable we are using? We want to write that. That is x and y. Equal to, what is the constant we have? That is 6 and 5, no? So 6 and 5. Okay, this is known as matrix form. So matrix form is nothing but we want to write. First look at here. What is the coefficient for x? That is 1. What is the coefficient for y? That is 1. Isn't it? So 1 and 1. Now coming to the second equation. Look at the second equation. Now look at here. What is the coefficient for x? That is 2. What is the coefficient for y? That is 1. Okay. So now we want to write 2 and 1. That's all. Okay. After this, what variable we are using here? X and y. In some problem they have using a and b. In some problem they have using c and d. Whatever it is. Okay. What variable we are using? That means what alphabets we are using. We want to write that here. So that is here we are using x and y. So x and y equal to. Now, what is the constant present in the given equation? The first constant is 6. The second constant is what? 5. So 6 and 5. Okay, that's all. This is known as matrix form. This is very, very important. The first step in this matrix inversion method is what? We want to write this. We want to write matrix form. Okay. So this is known as matrix form. Next, after writing this matrix form, now we want to write the value. This is known as A matrix. So A is equal to 1, 1, 2, 1. Can you able to see that whiteboard?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There. Okay. So first we want to write the matrix form. Okay, this is the first step. What is the first step? We want to write the matrix form. Okay, so matrix form is nothing but we have one matrix, then we have variable, then we want to write the constant. Okay, so this is known as A, this is known as X, this is known as B. Okay, hope you understood. So this is known as A, this is known as X, it is known as what? B. Okay, so first we want to write A, X and B. Okay, we are writing matrix, no, that is known as A. We are writing that variables, no, that is known as X. The constant B. Okay, so next, this is no. After writing the matrix form, what is our formula? X is equal to A inverse into B, isn't it? So we want to find the A inverse. What is already we know? A inverse is equal to 1 divided by determinant A into adjoint of A. Okay, so that's all. A inverse. Already you know how do we find the adjoint and how do we find the determinant? Already you know. isn't it? Now, what is a B? After getting the A inverse, we want to multiply, okay? After getting A inverse, we want to multiply that A inverse with the B. That's our question. X is equal to A inverse into B, isn't it? If, for example, my A inverse is equal to any matrix, for example, 1, 0, 8, 4, whatever it is. What is a B? B is nothing but that is a constant present in the given equation, isn't it? So, for example, 1 and 0. Now, I am going to multiply this with this. Okay, A inverse with B. So, 1 into 1 is what? 1. 0 into 0 is what? Plus 0. So, 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Next, 8 into 1 is what? 8. 4 into 0 is what? 0. So, now answer is what? 8. Therefore, my x value is 1 and y value is 8. This is the way we want to find. My x value is 1 and y value is what? 8. Okay, so already I have posted the video for this. This is just a overview. Okay, again I'm repeating. So listen, okay? They will give the question like this, ma, x plus y is equal to 8 and x plus 2y, whatever it is, they have given two equations. Okay, from the two equation we want to write the matrix form. Matrix form is nothing but 1, next 1, 2. Next the variable x and y we are using in this problem. So x and y 8 and 2. This we want to write the formula. What is the formula? A inverse B. So first we want to write the A inverse and find the A inverse value. Next A inverse into B. That means A inverse and what is the B value? That is 8 and 2. What you are getting inverse, you should multiply this two and you will get the final answer. You get the final answer. Okay, so this is to find the matrix inversion method for 3 by 3 matrix. Sorry, 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so this is the way we want to do. This is important 3 mark. If you have any doubt, you can tell me now. I'll explain you again. Any of you, if you have any doubt, you can ask me. I'll explain you again. Have you all understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so matrix inversion method. Okay, for your unit test, the unit 1. Okay, and already you know this is a 25 marks test only. Okay, so the question paper pattern is.
Voice break.
I'll tell you the question paper. Okay, so your question paper pattern is just a note on 1 mark 5, 2 mark 2, that is 4 marks, 3 marks 2 mark 2, 3 mark also 2, 6, 5 mark 2. So 10. So totally 25 marks. Okay. So this is your question paper pattern and blueprint. Okay. So 1 mark 5 choose. But in the question paper there is no option. You have to in the question paper I'll give only 2 questions only. You have to write the 2 questions. Okay. There is no option for any question. You have to write what you have to attend all the question in the question paper. Okay. So for your unit test portion is what? That is unit 1. Matrices and determinants. Okay, the first lesson fully, unit 1 fully you have unit test. Okay, that's all. Do you have any doubt so far what I taught you?
No, sir.
Okay, ma. So okay, so thank you all. So today online, stay strong and do your homework properly. Okay, you can leave the meeting, ma. You can leave.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Ah,
Hello, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Hello,
Thank you.
sir.
எங்க மூட்ல இருக்கு. சொல்லிடுவா உனக்கு எதுவும் தெரியாது நீ.